The sky monster. Ooh. Ooh.
I wish
What
I
if
had
that was
big-
what they thought dragons were? You know, there's just something with a
Right.
tail, and
Yeah.
they're like, it's the fucking tornado that showed up.
Yep.
That ate
Or
everything.
what if dragons are
Spit
real?
lightning.
Like in that fucking Matthew McConaughey movie. Remember that movie? Mm-hmm. That movie was the shit.
I bet dragons could be real.
Back when Matthew McConaughey was jacked. He was fucking great in that movie. And what's his name was in that movie too? Christian Bale. Mm-hmm. What was that movie called? Reign of Fire.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Reign of Fire.
That was a good movie. That's a good fucking dragon movie. The dragons, they ate carbon. They had to burn everything to eat.
That's right.
So everything they burn everything down, and then they would eat whatever was like charred. That's what they ate. So that's why they had fire, and they lived in the center of the earth.